Good morning, guys. Hope we're all well. So today, this is our DMT FOREX section where we're going to look at some FOREX pairs. So firstly, we're going to look at the dollar Swiss franc. Back testing this, checking out what works best for FOREX day trading. I've gone for the 3-minute chart over the 5-minute chart that we were using in the last video, so I'm going to stick to that because it seems to give us some better signals, and yeah, especially for day trading. So starting off here, we had yesterday. So sorry, in fact, this is today, 26. We had a sell here around this 0.976 level. As you can see, that sell is doing pretty well. Like I said, we should stagger our entries into these trades over a bit of a range. So obviously that's up to you to decide the levels that you stagger and how much at each level. But yeah, so that is a good trade so far. We had a buy here, staggering your entries, a chance to get out of profit or break even, and then we did flip to a sell not too far away from the price, which probably would have been around your average entry if you didn't take any profit on the move. So yeah, so again, that was today. So looking at yesterday's move, yesterday we had a great sell here, a great sell that would have got us a few safety orders in there, and then before we did come off, and then we also had a buy that we could have scratched this trade, had plenty of time to get out of this trade for profit or scratch, but it didn't particularly go anywhere. Then a good sell here the day before. So that's the 3-minute chart for the dollar Swiss franc. Now over to cable. So we had a great sell here. Your orders here to sell over the range would have got filled, and then we collapsed down. So that is actually a fantastic trade. Sorry, that is this morning. And then yesterday we had a great buy again. Sorry, this wasn't yesterday. This trade was still carrying on basically. So yesterday we had the great buy, some safety orders filled, and then there we go, big rally. So pound dollar, cable, 2 great trades. Euro dollar, euro US dollar, euro dollar. So yeah, so we had the buy here, safety orders filled, we went up. We had a sell here. This was not a good trade, but you didn't get any safety orders filled, so you just short your original entry, and then yeah, you'd stop out and go long, and then get going long and having your orders to buy there for that rally, where you would have made more money on this, especially with the extra orders filled, than you would have lost on just this one order filled. But yeah, yeah, you guys are smart guys. You don't need me to tell you that. Buy trade here. No orders, no safety orders filled. No, but we go straight up, so that's fantastic. A sell here. It doesn't really go far. You probably would have got your small orders filled here, and then been looking to deciding what you wanted to do, but you may have took a loss on that one. Buy here, this one wouldn't have worked out that well. So it's getting a bit choppy around. I mean, you can see this is choppy around this area. So as long as you can try and take your small losses, or you break evens, then obviously you make more money on the bigger moves like we have there. Right, so New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So we had to sell here. You would have filled some more orders, and then you would be currently sitting in profit, and the trend obviously been short term down there. A buy here, this one definitely didn't work out that well for you. A sell here, or to fill some orders and came down, that was a good one. A buy here, you wouldn't have filled any orders, well, you would possibly fill some down here, then you would have had to stop out and start working this short. A sell there, pretty chop zone, not gone very far, and a buy here, orders filled, rally. Let's look at this. This looks like a sell. Yeah, sell. This sell quite a bit low. This was the gap open anyway, so you wouldn't have been able to trade before that anyway. But right, Aussie, a dollar, US dollar. Sell trade, fill your orders, down. Buy trade, this wouldn't have worked. So this would have filled your orders, filled your full clip size, and then you would have been having to stop out. A sell here, Probably filled some orders. Decent trade. A buy here. You would have filled some orders. I don't know how long you would want to hold that for. This may have been a bit far, but it would have taken you up for a profit. Yeah, and this was that gap down. Euro pound, euro sterling. Yep, so buy level here, safety orders filled, and then to the moon. So that was a good one. And then a sell here, some orders filled, and then down. So the past couple of days been good for the euro pound, 3-minute chart DMT, and then obviously this buy here would have been a good buy for you as well. And this sell here, well, yeah, you would have at least broke even on this, at least broke even with your risk management. Yep, so euro yen. We're in a buy trade, orders filled, working our way up. Sell trade, maybe got some orders filled, maybe got one of your other clips filled, and then we sold off. Buy here, probably broke even on that trade. And where is the sell? Oh, this is actually a good one. This got your sell before the weekend, and then obviously collapsed down. You probably would have ended up taking your trading profit at some point on this, but we did continue to go all the way down. If you didn't, dollar yen. So dollar yen, what have we got going on here, guys? So currently in the sell trade, fill in your orders. So see if that goes down. It will definitely go down if we get an emergency rate cut. I'm telling you that now. Right, so buy here, saved orders filled. You probably would have scratched that trade. A sell, you would have at least scratched that trade. A buy, this wouldn't have been a great one. A sell here would have worked out great, fine for you. Buy here, you've worked out well. And then what we've got here, this is a sell here, which worked out fantastic trade there. And now finally Swiss franc yen. This is a bit of a choppy pair. A buy here, a sell there wouldn't have really worked out that well, but you wouldn't have taken a big loss. A buy here would have been a loss. Sell there, yeah, you could have worked this one, at least a scratch. A buy here, this wouldn't have been a good trade. A sell there, you would have done okay out of that one. A buy here wouldn't have been a good. I mean, like I did say, this isn't the greatest pair. This is at the end of my list. May even take this one off. Yeah, we'll remove this one, just because it's just not performing well with the indicator, as you can see. So we will remove that, and then we've just got our 8 pairs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pairs that we are going to concentrate on going forward. So hope that video was useful for you guys. I mean, as you can see, this is for day trading, so averaging into positions, managing your risk tightly, tight stops after you get after you've filled your orders. So lots of trades. Lots of daily trades, so you can see this is for the people that are gonna trading forex more full time, and obviously watching the market all the time. So yeah, so I'm thinking of setting up an alerts Telegram service for these forex signals, so that may help some of you guys to get the trades on. But yeah, so thanks for listening to that forex video. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Trading is especially risky, especially in these current volatile times that we are in. So right, speak to you guys soon.